The Josie Music Awards. And speaking of awards, I'm about to choke on my words because I was breathing in too heavy just now. I was trying to run fast as I could. I was running, trying to let my little dogs out and trying to get back just in time so there wasn't any more dead air, because that is like a nightmare in itself. But anyway, this guy right here that I'm about to spin for you is a super, super, super duper treat from Oregon. Oh my goodness. Holy hound dog, Ginger. This guy, I swear Elvis is alive, y'all. And I don't know if he's probably tired of hearing that. But I heard like half a second of this man's voice, and I was like, like my feathers were standing on end, and I was like, oh my God. Like you don't want to stop listening. His voice is so crisp and clean and pure and flawless, and it's like you're right there, like he's right there with you in the same room, and he's just lovely, and he's my new friend. And I'm so glad that he has joined the flock, and he is now an official flock star. Ladies and gentlemen, please, I'd love to welcome to the nest, Mr. Andy Craigmile, and he is here to sing for you a perfect place and time right here on The Flock Show.
A single candlelight, one red rose, two glasses of sweet white wine, and your gentle hand upon your lovely face. I'm in a perfect place and time. Pretty love words whispered softly from our lips, warning glances from eyes filled with desire. Your hand is lightly touching mine. I'm in a perfect place and time. As I look at you, your eyes begin to shine. I can feel your love from your heart. And if love tomorrow never comes, I'll have been in a perfect place and time. Pretty love words whispered softly from our lips, warning glances from eyes filled with desire. And your hand is lightly touching mine. And I'm in a perfect place and time. I'm in a perfect place and time. I'm in a perfect place and time.
empty page, a story to write. I'm in love, you're divine, and it's all in our signs. We're going away. Get your bag, check the tag. Decision is made. Lock your door, need no more. It's already paid. Cancel your mail for a while. It's a journey for life, and I'm your ride. Hang on, we'll be long gone. Hang on, I cannot go wrong. God, I'm praying I'm not alone in this air of hope. 'Cause I'm in love, you're a star, burning bright in my heart. We're going away. Get your bag, check the tag. Decision is made. Lock your door, need no more. It's already paid. Cancel your mail for a while. It's a journey for life, and I'm your ride. Hang on, we'll be long gone. Hang on, I cannot go wrong. We're going away. Get your back, check the tag. Journey for life, and it's already paid. Cancel your mail for a while. It's a journey for life, and I'm your ride. Hang on, we'll be long gone. Hang on, I cannot go wrong. Hang on, we'll be long gone. Hang on, I cannot go wrong. God, I'm praying I'm not alone in this air of hope. A journey for life, I'm alive. No, 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 no.
That's some good stuff right there. Some more epidemic sound. I'm your ride. I should be like a... No, I shouldn't. I'm not even going to go there. Welcome to the SongBird's FLOCKSHOW special mixtape edition. I'm just going to make those kind of sound effects because I'm cray-cray. And it is Thursday. You know, it's Thirsty Thursday because I am parched because it's flocking hot outside. And you can like fry yourself some eggs, some boudin, throw out some grits out just right outside in your driveway. I'm cereal. It's just nasty, nasty hot out there. Hope you guys are doing okay. I got some good beats coming up right now. These cats are from LA, and I'm not talking about I am talking about Los Angeles. I'm not talking about where I'm from. Where am I? Where do I live? Yeah, Louisiana. Who am I talking to? There's nobody in here. I'm doing it again. I swear I need a friend in here. Who will come in here and sit with me? I'm always alone in here. I'm looking over here. I'm to my right and my left. I've got pictures of y'all. When y'all send me things, I've got your pictures up here. So I'm looking at you. I'm looking at Carissa Kay right now. I got Griffin Tucker. I got Arnold Connolly. Who else? I got myself. No, I don't. Well, it's myself and my nugget. I've got the Smith Sisters Bluegrass. Aw. Shield of Faith. Yes, I do. Tammany. I've got R.F. Zoo and the Elephants. I can't even say. Oh, look, I got Ed Sheeran. Of course I do. Justin Timberlake. Of course I do. And did I call your name out? If I did not, send me something, y'all. PM me and I will give you my address. I'd love to have something of you on my wall. Because listen here, when I go to the Josie Music Awards, I am going to get a picture, a selfie of every single person that I can, and I swear I'm going to do this. Then I'm going to go to Walmart, and Walmart's going to hate me, and they're going to put me on there, that little like missing, all the missing children, and I don't mean to say this, but they're going to put my picture on there, and they're going to say, do not let this person ever come back, because she used all of our ink. But I'm going to print out every single selfie of mine with every single person that I can at the Josies, and I'm going to put it on my mural here in my tiny closet studio on the bayou. and it is going to be in my studio, and it is going to be part of my next album. So are you going to be in it? I don't know. But I still want a picture of you, if you have it, part of your little thingamadoodles that you send out to your fans. So send me something, okay? Like something in the mail, because we don't do that kind of stuff anymore. All right, so back to this, Lori. Focus. Golly. I have such a problem with that. See, now I'm in a good mood and I'm all crazy. Prima Donna Rising is Leading Me On, and that's their song. It's their first single from their second album, known as a loud, hard-hitting heavy rock band with scorching guitars and thunder in the drums, earth-shaking bass, and a commanding multi-octave frontman. Their second album, Second Bite of the Apple, is so stealthy amazeballs. The band consists of Kimball, Steve, Tommy, and David. They are quite cool, and I adore them to bits. You can find them on the World Wide Web, Facebook, and the Gram, and make sure that you tell them that the SongBird's sent you. Are you ready? Because I absolutely adore them. I'm making up words as I go along. I swear I'm going to do just like Valley Girl did, because they had like the magazines and the book, and they had the vocabulary. And if you don't remember, why don't you look it up on Amazon? And get yourself one, because they actually had a book, and it would tell you exactly what a Valley Girl had in her purse, and it had everything labeled. And you know what? The bird had everything in her purse that was in that book. Anyway, back to this. They are so cute. I want to meet them. Maybe I will. Maybe I won't. But here they are. Prima Donna Rising, Leading Me On.
The voices in the night, something